guys, feast your eyes on the class of 1985 here. This is the OG, the original gangster 500 CR, the first liquid cooled, and as they say, the most violent, hardest hitting of all the 500s, which is quite a claim. They toned them down, and they toned them down all the way up until they made a 454 stroke it and toned it down even more, and then gave it a pinky start. This is like the antithesis of the 4-stroke, the most violent, monstrous CR500 ever made. And isn't it? Will you just look at it? This thing's absolutely freaking gorgeous. This is what they look like when they came from the factory. This is the original color scheme, the yellow number plates. We took it to the next level and polished the swing arm like chrome, but the plastics and the graphics are exactly the way it came out of the dealership in 1985, and it's an object of lust for anybody who's a moto gearhead. This bike, this original CR500 85 is been gone through top to bottom. We took the engine apart, did a new base gasket, new head gasket, the piston and rings were in spec, so we just cleaned everything and put it back together because it was in good condition. New intake gasket, rebuilt the carburetor. This is a Kian 38mm PWK Air Striker carburetor. The carburetor's been upgraded. It's got a new twin air filter. The exhaust flange is a new MSV exhaust flange, and as you can see, it's got the OG DG pipe and silencer kit. So upgraded carb, upgraded intake, top end's been refreshened. The exhaust is the DG. It's got new GPI radiator hoses, has a new water pump impeller. The whole clutch side came off. Everything was gone through there. The kickstart gear was replaced. All the gaskets and seals on the engine have been replaced, and the cylinder head was also modified. Check it out on this side here. Let me spin it around so I can get it in the sunlight for you. Probably screw it a little bit. Here we go. Now you can see it better. It's so dark on that side. Check it out. You can see the new base gasket, new head gasket. The cylinder was replaced with a decompression lever, so it'll make it easier to start. New shifter. All the carburetor hoses are new. The fuel lines are new. The original gas tank was cleaned and rinsed out. The original radiators, if you look at the backs of them, looks to have low wear on it. If it was a race bike, those would be all closed off from being power washed with mud on them and everything. The radiator loop protectors have been replaced. The shrouds have been replaced. The original tank was polished and cleaned. It's got a new original OG style CR seat cover with new seat foam, new side panels, new rear fender, new front number plate. The bars are new, the Renthal CR highs. It's got a new pro taper, quick adjust, clutch lever, and perch, and a new kill switch, new Renthal bars with the new ODI grips, new Renthal crossbar pad. The master cylinder's been rebuilt. The throttle tube is been replaced, and the throttle tube grip is, of course, a matching ODI Ruffian. New brake lever. The front brakes have been rebuilt. The forks have been sanded and polished down, so they have a real nice shine on them. Those are the original rims in good condition. Original front brake is in good condition. The caliper's been rebuilt. The fork boots have been replaced. New radiator shroud on this side. Of course, the GPI hoses, radiator hoses are all new, and it's running engine ice coolant and VPT2 fuel. Swing arm bearings were replaced. The swing arm linkage was replaced. We replaced it here. New Dunlop tire and tube. The rear brakes were serviced. The chain is a brand new gold chain. So just a really kick-ass piece. If you have any questions about it, give us a call, 860-454-7024. These are few and far between that you see come up for sale that are gone through and ready to go. It's a new shock protector, and if you take a look at the silencer, you can see that was polished like chrome, which is no easy task. It's a lot of work doing that. And the same thing with the swing arm. This has been polished like chrome. The fork lowers have been polished like chrome in our detail shop. The hardware for replacing the cylinder head and the base mount bolts are new also. You can see the carburetor intake gasket's new. She's ready for another 30 years of moto. Just take care of it, keep the air filter clean, change the gear lube. These 500s run forever. If you have any questions, give me a call. Thanks for watching. God bless America.